The old Hurricane deck boat, it really is surprising how many of these we see around Miami. Kind of a little wild to be what's considered usually a lake boat for a deck boat. But little known fact, actually this was one of my first boats as well. It was a 19-foot Hurricane Sun deck. Mine was an inboard outboard versus the outboard, but my crew loved the boat so much. It was a 1989, and basically I still own this boat today, even though I haven't seen it in probably 5 or 10 years. But we loved it so much that when we went to sell it, decided we couldn't sell it, and it's actually with a family member up on a lake in New York, still rolling, giving out memories today. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ranch channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting 79th Street, Pelican Harbor. And our crew's trying to get lined up. This one's always tough. With all the stuff they have hanging off the side, they've kind of limited themselves. They can only really dock on the starboard side. So Cap's coming back in on approach, making another turn at it. And here we go. It looks like we are now on final. Here we go, finally going at it. Our crew's got the fenders out, lines on the ready to get on the dock. We got one person on the dock trying to tie off. He looks a little panicked. Oh, and we get one smack on the dock right there. What are you doing, Cap? They're gonna try and run this one right up on the dock. And Cap just like a neutral, bro. Let it go. No! He's trying to push it up there. Again, Cap neutral. Somebody take the motor from him. If you're ever in this situation, pull the kill switch on. Seriously, just pull the kill switch. Cap doesn't need the motor. Somebody's on the dock. But finally, we got 2 people on the dock, 2 lines on the dock, and they'll be good to go. And our crew's backing out on their first approach. You can tell by the flag on the boat over here on the right. The wind is absolutely ripping right now, right to left across the screen. And a boat like you're about to see come back out of the bushes here is difficult because it's got such a flat surface area, just like a big sail for the wind to catch and make it more difficult for them to get on. But here we go, crew making their approach. Let's see how this one works out. So we've got somebody in the bow with a line on the ready. Guy on the stern with a line on the ready. Our bow guy takes the step off. Working on walking it up. Well, we had thought they were on, so we moved to another boat, and the next thing we knew, this happened, and our crew is back off the dock. So we've still got one line on the dock. But obviously we've lost that bow line. Our guy's still holding on. Gotta be careful with this one. In this situation, I'd probably let that stern line go because the Cap's not gonna be able to get this around with you holding on the line. So Cap's just kind of going back and forth. Not much you can do with them holding onto the line, but he can't get it around that way. And are they going to reverse it in? Somebody probably could have got a bow line and tossed it over. No, Cap's going to go back into forward. Start pulling the line out. And our guy's going to get drug in. He's got to let go. Wise choice on that one. But now you've got a line in the water to contend with, and let's hope it doesn't get caught in the prop. So, gonna use some power, swing it around hard. And we've lost it for a second. Our guy in the dock's trying to walk him in, like, come on, this way. We've got a young lady in the bow with a line. And there we go. We've got a bow line in the dock. Looks like we got another young lady on the stern with a line. He's going to go for the toss, and we got the miss. Our guy goes down and grabs it, though. And they're going to try and tie this off. But look at how hard they're struggling. Once again, this big flat surface like this, just a massive sail. And they're just battling the wind trying to get this over. Still trying to walk it up to get it set up right. There goes Cap leaving the helm. Try and direct some traffic down here and make sure they get it on right this time. Or hopefully it doesn't go anywhere. Got a few other boats coming up the canal, so we'll move over to another one here in just a few moments. And here we go. Got another one on approach. Go ahead and follow this crew. So they've got the ladies getting into the bow, getting ready. And we go on. Oh, she almost stumbles over the bow rail. But she's able to get up. Cap gives a little bit of throttle. And they should be good to go, it looks like. Cap grabs the pole. Guy off the back. Oh my. Cap got some sun. My man, even though he didn't hit the dock, I think he's going to feel this one for a little bit. But they're getting out of here, and we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where me and a machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.